I'm going to add recipe, and we're going to use this add recipe method. And then we will need to go over to our form, our recipe form, and update the interface. So we're going to say on add recipe, and it is going to be of types. It's going to be a type recipe, and it will output unit, nothing. Okay, and then the next thing to do is to use this. So the way we had our state modeled before, when we click the button, we dispatch an add recipe, and what that does is it just updates the state such that there's a record of the recipe within the state of the form element. We don't really need to do that anymore, so I'm just going to delete that. We're going to pass the recipe up to the parent. So on add recipe, we're going to just go ahead and reference state. Well, first of all, we need to build the recipe. So staged recipe, and we're going to build types.recipe builder build switch on that. It's going to be okay or not. In that case, we can say we could create like a new event. Maybe we create a new action. We'll just call it like set form error string. We could do that. We have to be sure to update the reducer. Set form error. Error, and then state, and form error, should be error. Should be some error, because it's an optional field. Okay, so we could do that, and let's complete this code to say dispatch set form error message. Okay, so that's handled. Now the other block is the recipe. So on add recipe. I think that's it. What is it complaining about? Something is wrong with my syntax. Oh. Okay, so this compiles, and next step is just to see, hey, like, does this work? Let's take a look. So here we have our recipe planner, and we're going to see if it actually works. So let's try quinoa salad. Serves 4. It's got quinoa. It's got, I don't know, 1 cup of quinoa. I don't know what that is in terms of calories. Let's just say it's 100 calories. And let's add that. And then also, we'll add like vinegar. I mean, there's other things you put in a quinoa salad, but let's just add like these 2 things. 1 tablespoon. Let's just say it's got like 30 calories. And then let's say we like add the quinoa, cook the quinoa. And add vinegar. Obviously, this is not a real recipe. Don't make this. And then save recipe, and here it shows up.